In front of me is Motorola Moto G15 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus to create a new one and set up an hour. When you finish, hit OK and then customize your new alarm however you wish to. At the top you need to add label and choose OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Use this icon next to pause alarm to pick days of the week you wish to exclude. Hit OK. For example, those dates are excluded, but you can always remove them by clicking on the remove button right next to them. Now click on this bell to pick YouTube Music or Spotify, log in and use music from it. Select sounds and tap on add new to pick any song from your smartphone, or just pick one of those sounds. Either way, when you're ready, go back and click on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Lastly, this one next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. If you want to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. To show them again, click at the top right corner one more time, and to delete your alarm completely, hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!